Okay, hey guys, it's Gunman 8008 here, and I've got some Golden Bear 30-06 Springfield ammo here. 145 grains. It does pretty good. It's full metal jacket. Pull them out here. Here you go. And it's weird. It has a weird casing on it. Here you can see it has a rim around the edge here. I don't know why it has it, but it's full metal jacket. Does pretty good. Here, set that up here. Just lay that down there. So you can compare that to these Remington core locked. 185 grains. There's a big weight difference between these two. On the right here, these are 185 grain Remington core locks, soft tip. These are the Golden Bear 145 grain full metal jackets. These do not kick at all. You do not have any recoil compared to these. As you can see, the bullet is just a tad bit longer because it's not soft tip. There's a big difference in weight. So accuracy, this does just as good as the Remington core locks. And as you can see, the price is nothing on the Golden Bears. Let me set this aside. But these Golden Bears, they do pretty good. They do just as much damage as the soft tips. Like I said, the recoil has no recoil. Yeah, I guess that's the review of the Golden Bear 30-06 Springfield. See ya.